latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Recently, astronomers observed a young galaxy similar to Milky Way. They often thought of this infant universe as chaotic, in extreme environment where galaxies are unstable and violent. However, a new study suggests that this infant galaxy has features similar to those of our own, more mature Milky Way. This discovery means that the astronomers are looking back in time at a galaxy that formed less than 1.5 billion years after the birth of the universe. The newly found galaxy has been named as SPT 041847, and it is estimated to be located about 12 billion light years from our galaxy. It is so far that its light takes nearly 12 billion years to travel and reach us. This newly discovered galaxy was formed when the universe was just 10% of its current age, which is about 1.4 billion years old. A galaxy comprises gas, dust, and billions of stars held together by gravity. Milky Way galaxy that holds the entire solar system is about 13.51 billion years old and appears in a spiral shape. Astronomers till now have believed that during the early years of the universe, most galaxies which formed were unstable and turbulent. This belief originates from the idea that during the early universe, when the celestial objects were not fully formed, galaxies too were in the process of developing. Therefore, astronomers have hypothesized galaxies to be chaotic, which lacked structures of the mature galaxies. Contrary to this belief, this newly discovered galaxy was surprisingly unchaotic. Here is what Francesca Rizzo, PhD student from the Max Planck Institute for Astrophysics in Germany, who led the research, had to say about this Milky Way. This result represents a breakthrough in the field of galaxy formation, showing that the structures that we observe in nearby spiral galaxies and in our Milky Way were already in place 12 billion years ago. As compared to the Milky Way, it does not have a spiral arm, however. The galaxy's rotating disk and a bulge are a large group of stars packed together around the galactic center. Astronomers have identified SPT 041847 as a dynamically cold but highly star-forming rotating disk in a galaxy. These were among the similar features to our Milky Way. Researchers of the study state that this is the first time a bulge has been spotted in the galaxies from the early universe. Everyone might be wondering how the galaxy was spotted, right? Here is how. This breakthrough discovery comes from the Atacama Large Millimeter or Sub-Millimeter Array of telescopes, and this study is based in Chile. In addition to the powerful ALMA telescope, astronomers use the technique of gravitational lensing to spot the galaxy. Gravitational lensing is a phenomenon where the light emitted by a distant galaxy passes through a massive object. The gravitational force from that object bends or distorts the light, causing it to appear magnified, which allowed the ALMA to capture the never-seen details of the galaxy. As per the statement, the distant galaxy appeared as the near-perfect ring of light around the nearby galaxy has been captured. The statement added that the research team reconstructed the distant galaxy's true shape and the motion of its gas from the ALMA data using a new computer modeling technique. The more details and the features of the distant galaxy are yet to be identified, as it is located very far away in the universe. Therefore, it becomes impossible for even the most powerful telescope to identify the galaxy as it appears small and faint. This discovery is significant for understanding the formation and evolution of galaxies, and it can also shed light on the early years of the universe.